But these kids that she associated with, they had a goal in life and they were going for it as she did. And it was nice to hear, but it was also frustrating the fact that it didn't provide us any leads. All the businesses in the neighborhood had flyers in the window to see if we could generate any tips calls. We didn't know if she was kidnapped at some point in time or she was willingly with someone. You're looking for these idiosyncrasies. You're looking for something that jumps out off the page to help you. We had none.
We were basically stuck in the mud, and we had no leads. Months after the Rashida Washington homicide, a 15-year-old girl was coming home to her family at the Howard houses.
I forgot.
She goes to the elevator.
Joust.
To the elevator, a man comes up behind her.